Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a new search engine in Brave. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your Brave browser. Now, once it's opened, go to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Okay. Click on it, and in the drop down, just got to find settings, which is usually located right here at the very bottom. So just click on it. Now, once done, go to the left panel and click on Search Engine. Click on it. And as you can see here, we have two options. So first one is for normal window, and the second one is for private window. Okay. So for normal window, just click on Change. And here we have a ton of options. You can go ahead and choose Google, DuckDuckGo, Quant, Bing, or Start Page. Okay. And by default, it is set to Brave. You can go ahead and choose Google right here. Just click on it and make sure that it is ticked. And once done, just click on Set as Default. You can go ahead and change your private window search engine as well. Just click on Change. Now go ahead and choose DuckDuckGo, Brave, or whatever you want. Just don't forget to hit on Set as Default. And by the way, if you want a custom search engine, just go ahead and click on Settings once more. Right here, go to Search. Then click on Manage a Search Engine. Okay. And here, what you got to do is just click on Add right here under Site Search. Okay. And in the name, the shortcut, and the URL. Now, once that's added, you can go ahead and click on three dots and make sure that you click on Make Default. Okay. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.